Hello guys, back again with another video review for you. This time of Marvel Universe Red Hulk. Picked him up yesterday. He's very cool. You can see that mean, ugly face. Got quite a bit of articulation. You know, his arms go in and out. Rotate at the elbow, bend at the elbow, rotate at the wrist. Same way on the other side. Got an ab crunch, no waist articulation. Legs rotate at the hip, kind of. Single joint knee, and then pivot at the foot. As far as the figure goes, real deep red, really nice looking. Nice jeans, kind of got a lot of like light blue, grayish paint washed through it. Very nice. Nice sculpt, and it's very big for a 3 3/4 figure. Here he is next to, I didn't have anything else up here with me, but Silver Surfer, which is quite puny compared to him. But very cool figure. If you see him, I would recommend picking him up. Thanks for watching. Bye.